Right now, I have the bright green Challenger in the booth, ready for the engine compartment to get jammed. I got the whole engine compartment sanded out nice. This is the last of the paint work that we have to do before the car goes to Ryan for final assembly, and then we'll start the final paint process. This car's gone quicker than some of our other ones. There wasn't any extensive metal work that had to be done. So it was basically get the car sandblasted, go through it, do our body work. So it went fairly quick, pretty much like the Phantom did. Okay, so right now I'm mixing up the green single stage. I'll go in there, put 2 coats on the outside and probably 3 coats on the actual inside of the engine compartment. And then the last of the paint work will be done, and then this will go over to Ryan for assembly, and then we can start the final paint prep. So now it's ready for the paint.
Right now, Alyssa and I are getting ready to inventory a 1968 Dodge Charger. This is a non-RT car. What's cool about it is it's a one-owner car. Had one paint job, mostly Survivor original type condition.
I'm really excited to jump back here and see what the cars look like before we tear them down.
Okay, Alyssa, this is a 68 Charger. It's a 383 Magnum.
I haven't done a Charger yet, and since I drive a Charger now, it's gonna be pretty exciting to see how the older original ones were done.
A couple interesting things before we get looking at the car that I like about them. The 68 Charger is considered to be the sleekest and the coolest of all 3 of the second generation Chargers. Charger was introduced in '66, went through '67. That was the first generation. That was like the white one that we had last season in here. That great big one, kind of looked like an upside down bathtub. Second generation, 68 to 70, the most popular of them all. Made popular by their look, but also in iconic movies like Bullet. One of the things that's cool about 68, you look at this bezel that surrounds the headlights in here.
Yeah.
It's meant to look exactly like a continuation of the grille. They dropped that
cool.
in '69. So back here, there's just steel brackets back behind the headlight doors, because when these come down.
Oh, it finishes the grill.
So yeah, it's the sleek grille, but at night, vacuum motors would pull this open, and they wanted to still have that cool look of the grille, so they kept the surround. Now, '69 and '70, they didn't do that.
Okay.
While Mark and Alyssa begin documenting the 1968 Charger, Will continues the process of jamming the engine compartment for the 1971 Dodge Challenger RT.
So I got the first coat on, everything looks like normal, no issues, looks great. So I'll go back in there, put another coat on, and that should be about it. I'm gonna do 3 coats on this total. We don't cut off the engine compartment, so I like to lay it out nice, and so that way when it comes out, it's done.